Hi and welcome to Aussie Griller. Find me on the web at www.aussiegriller.com or check out my Facebook page under Aussie Griller. Today I'm going to make a nice grilled chicken burger. It's very easy to make, only takes a few minutes. It's very tasty. I've got a Turkish pita bread roll. You can use a normal bread roll if you like, but this is a little bit nicer. I've got a chicken breast cut in half and some assorted salads. Your choice of sauce. I'm just going to brush a little bit of oil onto the chicken breast. This will stop it from sticking to the grill. Nothing like the sound of some meat hitting a hot grill. After about 3 minutes, I'm going to turn over the chicken. As you can see, we've got some very nice colour on that side. So now's a good time to put on some onion. And I'm going to put just a little bit of salt over the chicken breasts. After about another minute or two, just going to turn over the onion. I'm going to do what I call the poke test. Just give the chicken just a little bit of a poke and feel how it springs back. Gives you a good idea of how well it's cooked. This chicken's nearly done, so I'm going to put the Turkish bread on just for about 30 seconds or so. Now we're ready to put together our burger. As always, I like to put a bit of mayonnaise on the base between the roll and the meat. This is optional, of course. And look at that grilled chicken. Doesn't that look good? Gonna put a bit of cheese on. You may want to put 2 slices on, but I'm on a little bit of a diet, so I'm taking it easy. Bit of onion now. I'm putting a bit of chili sauce on, but as always, you can choose tomato sauce, ketchup, barbecue sauce. It's really up to you. Some nice fresh sliced tomato. And a bit of lettuce. And there you have it. That burger's ready to eat. It looks delicious. For more information on this recipe or to see my others, please visit www.aussiegriller.com.